Hi everybody and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade, and I'm excited as you see because I'm here with a new invite in the month of June for Useful DIY Challenge June 2019. Welcome all. So the theme this month is going to be rope in. What do you mean by saying rope in? I want to rope in my friends to do some useful DIYs. So the rope in theme surrounds around ropes. Any kind of ropes. You can use cotton ropes, you can use jute ropes, you can use fabric ropes, or you can use plastic ropes, or you can use any kind of rope. Use any kind of ropes to make a project which is useful for yourself, your family, friends, home, or any way that you find it useful. You can make anything. You can use beach decor theme, you can use nautical theme, coastal theme, you can make dress attire, bags, coasters, rugs, anything. Try macrame. I want to. So try any kind of item, even if it's small rope or a big rope, thick rope or a thin rope. Your project needs to have some kind of rope in it. So that's the rope in theme for this month's challenge. And who do I have with me this month? Guesses? Well, this month I have with me Tracey Ann. Now Tracey Ann, I met her long back, say about 6-7 months back, when I started joining challenges and collaborations. These are good medium of making new friends, getting inspired by other DIYers. These are great platforms. Tracey Ann happens to be one of those YouTubers whose challenges I started joining from the very beginning that I ever started joining challenges, and I love her challenges and I love her DIY style. I love her DIY style. It has got a very rustic feel to it, which I really like. And I like her challenges as well because she gives you terms and conditions, and her terms and conditions are very specific, and it's always challenging to find your way out and create a DIY for her challenge. So I've enjoyed that, and I have done that, as I said, when I started YouTubing. I'm really excited because when I contacted Tracey Ann and I asked her if she would love to host this month's challenge with me, and she said yes, I was thrilled because I started joining her challenges, and this month she's going to host this challenge with me. It's really nice feel. Tracey Ann was earlier known as Holiday Cookie Diva, and now she's known as Secondhand Tracey Ann. I'll put her channel link in the card above as well as in the description box below, so do check out her channel if you haven't yet. Please pardon the background noise today, it's very windy today. Well, let's get down to the rules of the challenge this month. Rule number 1. You have to use 3 words somehow in your title, Useful DIY Challenge. So, DIY jute rug, Useful DIY Challenge. Or say, DIY jute bag, Useful DIY Challenge. So somehow use the words Useful DIY Challenge in your title. Rule number 2. Use the hashtag Useful DIY rope in your description box below the video. That way I'll be able to pick your video automatically. Hopefully that works. Rule number 3. This is a DIY challenge, so you have got to show how you created your project, how you did your project, how you created your item using a rope. Rule number 4. You should be subscribed to our channels, MomDas Life Handmade and Secondhand Tracey Ann. Rule number 5. Do mention our channels and our names. Mom from MomDas Life Handmade, Tracey Ann from Secondhand Tracey Ann in your video as well as in the description box below, along with the playlist. That way people will get to see the playlist and we'll have more viewers and more friends who would join us and be inspired. What are you waiting for? Yes, I know, rule number 6, the upload date and time. The upload date for videos for this month's challenge is going to be a Sunday, and that is 23rd June 2019. It's a Sunday and the time is going to be 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. What is 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time? Many of you have got a hang of how to find it. Well, it's easy. Just Google it and ask what is 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and Google will give you the translation in your local time. Just schedule your video to that time so that it gets published at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time, 23rd June 2019. Say, I did the calculation and found out people who live near Tracey Ann's house, their time will be 7:30 a.m. 23rd June 2019, and my time at that point would be 5 p.m. 23rd June 2019. So just ask Google. Thanks Tracey Ann for joining me this month and hosting this challenge where we all are going to have lots of fun, because Useful DIY Challenge is all about creating something useful for oneself, family and home, and learning new skills from each other, because each one of us have got some skill to share, some skill to show, and it's about learning something new and doing something useful. So Tracey Ann and myself, Mom, we are going to see you all on 23rd June 2019, 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Have fun, take care, and do put down your comments below. See ya!